String. String is an array of characters. Array which contains characters. See how to declare string. Char array name. Here I have written 10. 10 means 10 characters we can store. Okay. Once we declare like this, 10 boxes will be allocated. Actually, we can store only 9 characters. The last box we have to store null character. Strings should always end with null character. Okay. These 4 lines, how to store these characters in this array. In this AITM, these are characters. Character by character also we can store. Directly by taking string also we can store. This is character by character, so single quotation. If you put double quote, then it will be character. Okay. The first box it stores A, second I, T, M. In this, like this, it stores. So remaining all boxes will be wasted. It means it stores some garbage values. Okay. Second line. In this, same thing, but it takes null character at the end. Here there is double quote, that is why automatically it takes null character. At the end, null character, it means before whatever it is stored, it is string. Okay. In this, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes will be wasted. In this 5 boxes wasted. In this 6 boxes wasted. In this, we have not mentioned here any number. So, it takes only 5 boxes. Only 5 boxes. In 5 boxes, first 4 boxes stored like this, the last one null characters. No wastage of memory. In this also same thing. Both are same. Okay. In this way, we can store. Some more ways are there. Using printf and scanf. Scanf, here we have to write %s. S means string. So here, whatever array name, that name we have to write here. Enough. So whatever you type that string, that will be stored in this array. Whatever it is. But that should be single word. When we write yes, that should be single word. Here, whatever you stored, that will be printed on screen. Printf. Another way, get s, put s. Get string, put string. In this, same thing. But here, we can store even sentence also. Example, if you enter AITM space Bhatkal, it will take completely AITM Bhatkal. Here, if you type AITM Bhatkal, it takes only AITM. When you press the space button, it won't collect remaining characters. It stops collecting remaining characters. So you can see this program here. String.h, because we have used string here. %s. Okay. Enter a string, so we have to enter string. Then, whatever we entered string, that will be displayed on screen. Here, if you enter here, something like output screen. If you enter something like ATM, that ATM will be printed on screen. Before this, we will get this information. Enter a string. Enter a string. We will get this message. After that, we type this. After that, we get this message. The string is. Then it will display this. Okay. In place of this, if we write getS str. In place of this, if we write putS. In place of this, if we write putS, what happens? If we write ATM butcurl will be printed. Complete, whatever we type, that will be printed. In previous method, here %s, if you type ATM butcurl, it won't take this. Only ATM takes. It means only one string it takes. Okay.